CarStory research indicates this vehicle as being priced below the average market price. Features also include leather seats, adaptive cruise control, hands-free Bluetooth integration, sun moonroof. With these ratings, come test drive the 2019 Armada. This vehicle is powered by a rear-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 5.6-liter engine, and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, tow hitch, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, remote engine start, power lift gate, brake assist, traction control, stability control. Inside you'll find navigation system, backup camera, smart device integration, keyless entry, rear AC, adaptive cruise control, HD radio, satellite radio, auxiliary audio input, premium sound system. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.